Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, wow. Yo, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip, take a sip now.
Ascending to outer space to
Of course, right? If we're debating who should get which one of these cakes.
Yeah, I think she should get the
He's
carnival
giving me the
one.
carnival one.
Yeah. So we indulge in sweet treats from time to time, but wouldn't you like to know how to bake a couple yourselves? Well, I certainly do. Owner of Sweet Creations, J.A. Daniel Little, also Woolmarian.
But little with the eye.
Little with the eye this time. Good job. Has a few hacks, so she's a Woolmarian. Just putting it out there.
Yeah.
Most
All
of the best
y'all
chefs and
agriculturalist
bakers like
people.
Chef Aline Card and
Oh my
our producer
gosh.
Unique.
Unique,
Gotcha.
Oh.
So,
So-
Daniel, Instagram.
Yes.
That's how this started.
Yeah, Instagram is definitely how this started. Well, it happened one day. I was just scrolling through Instagram. You know, sometimes you see some random videos of some persons abroad making some really unique stuff that you'd like to try. That's where I decided that, I want to make something this unique that you wouldn't find anywhere else.
Mm-hmm.
And so I decided to try my hand at something called an Oreo cheesecake, but it was unbaked.
Oh, no bake. Oh.
No baked cheesecake.
Okay.
And it took off from there.
Oh, fabulous.
August 2016.
Yes.
Almost going on 2 years. What's unique about?
Yeah, because there are tons of people who bake, and so what's unique about your creation?
There are tons of people that bake, but what's unique about my creations is probably that of the extra love that I put in it. I try to, in terms of appearance, I try to let it look as pleasing as possible. You see this and say, I've never seen a cake being decorated like this before. Oh my gosh, I need to get something like this.
Yeah, for someone like me who's too lazy to.
Yes, yeah, you'll definitely hire her to do it. Because, okay, this one, you said you wanted to do this one and give me the carnival.
What's
you
this
try
one?
to take time with it.
All right. This one is a full chocolate cake with vanilla frosting with a chocolate ganache, which is basically melted chocolate.
And what is my carnival cake?
And yours is a vanilla and chocolate cake with jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
We'll find a new name, please.
Okay, so our task this morning is to pretty much decorate these with those.
With strawberries, candy, and Oreos.
Okay, I know you made a plan, because from your seat you make a plan. So take up what you want so that I don't infringe by your plan.
I just need one of these.
Okay.
And this.
Okay. You're done?
And this. Okay.
Okay, that is your entirety. That is your decorating in its entirety.
So talk
Boy.
to us about the cupcakes. How do people get in touch with you to get these done?
All right. To get in touch with me, you can follow me on Instagram at sweetcreations_JA, or you could call or WhatsApp my cell number, which is 590-8341.
Wait.
It's not a timed thing where I use
I said
time.
wait. There's a
Why?
show
So
everybody.
I still have the wrapper doing. I'm the wrapper now going to garbage. Me can tell them I'm put on it.
Look at mine. I have Hershey's cookies and cream, I have an Oreo cookie, and the strawberry for sweetness.
Me just joking one. Cocos.
Okay.
It's coconut covered chocolate.
So
no.
when you, that's what you
chocolate covered.
wait, you call this?
What we
again?
just say?
Chocolate covered.
Coconut covered chocolate.
Chocolate.
Right? Okay.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. So when you drizzle this over it,
Drizzle. You're my friend. I use big
just
words.
can I crush it? Can I crush it?
Yes, you can.
Crush it and go so and.
But after we decorate it, right? The decoration is just for prettiness, because it's gonna be eaten and people are just gonna be like yum 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 yum. So why do you choose to use this decoration so that they can eat it? Because you have people who use things that are not edible.
Yeah, it doesn't necessarily have to be candy or biscuits. You could use fruits.
That's why I have strawberry.
Fruits are delicious and they're really pretty. And they can definitely make a cake look really, really attractive.
It has stick on it.
Yes.
It not stick.
See?
My cake already came decorated. I should have just leave it.
Here, just drop some.
Because me putting things on it not making it any better.
Of course. Make it extra.
That look better.
You mentioned the ingredients that go into.
All right. For the ingredients that goes into the chocolate cake, it starts from flour, cocoa, butter, eggs, vanilla, the typical ingredients.
And there's pictures of some of your creations.
Look at there. Do you make any kind of option for people who don't eat certain things? Like, do you make vegan cakes?
Yes, I do. I do vegan cakes. All you'd have to do is come to me with what you'd like, and I'll sort it out for you.
All right.
How long does it take?
Doesn't even matter.
What's the turnaround time? If I come to you today,
All right, if you come to me today, you get a cake in 3 to 4 days.
3 to 4 days. So
Yes.
that's as much time as you need to
Yes,
order.
that's all.
That's fantastic. And you do wedding cakes? You do...
Yes, I do.
So it's everything then?
Everything.
Anything that you can possibly imagine that tastes sweet.
Anything.
All right, so the Wilmerian is... I think, hands down, Dwight has won the... Hear me, Dwight? Dwayne
hold
has
on,
won the
hold on,
challenge.
hold on. Who?
I had to find out what's in my shirt. I can't. I think Dwayne wins.
So,
That's Dwayne's creation, everybody.
there's a strawberry in the
Mine
middle.
turn it off. Mine turn it over, yeah? Mine turn it over. So everybody see Dwayne.
It's okay, put your eyes.
Mama's put mine. Sure?
Yeah, man, put it. Me lift up for you. Do I will lift up for you?
Dwight. You want 2 pieces of chocolate cake, bro? You can't get it, sorry. But I think Dwayne has won this morning. Hands down. I'll give it to Dwayne.
Dwight. My name is Dwight.
Yeah, all right. I'll give it to Dwight this
Dwight
morning.
this morning.
Yeah?
So Daniel, what's next for you? It's gonna be celebrating 2 years. Any big plans to?
All right. I hope to open a store soon. Pretty soon, because many persons have come to me about it, and they're like, Danielle, you need to hurry up and open a store, man. I can't bother wait 3 to 4 days to get a cake.
Make sure that one of them support you when them people go to the store,
Exactly.
yeah? All right.
So I will.
Well, thank you so much for coming by. And if you want something sweet, guys, this is the best way to get it. You can try and make it yourself, and if you can't bother, you can find her. You can. Who win? Come on, Benji. We know who win already. This is not a competition this morning.
Not a competition.
Owner of Sweet Creations,
Non-contest.
J.A. Daniel Littlewith and I, the Wilmerian, who made these amazing creations. May I go taste a piece?
And no, you can't taste peace.
You can't taste?
No, you're not allowed. No, she's
I'm
not
not.
allowed to taste it
Okay,
because she's
fine.
on a little journey.
Yeah, but
Not
I didn't cheat yesterday. Oh,
No.
gone for a break.
Yes,
I didn't
they
take
pass.
my cheese day.
Yes,
cheat
they still
days.
pass.
No, but I didn't take
No,
my cheat day.
no. You can't
I
eat this.
didn't
You can't eat
take
this. You can't eat the strawberry.
Okay.
The strawberry. Yeah. Yeah.
Can go on.
Good. All right. We'll be back.
You come.
Me clothes and me car wash daily.